Welcome to your channel. So if you are a musical artist or a creator on Audiomack, I'm going to show you how you can get more streams on your songs or playlist. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So now what we need is the Audiomack account and Opera Mini, the update Opera Mini. So first, you open your Audiomack account and search for your song that you want to get more streams. Okay, so maybe take this one, take a song that you want to get more streams. Do it by your own self. So then you copy the link to that song. So you copy the link, then you come back and open your Opera Mini browser. Okay, so let's open the Opera Mini browser. Then we paste the link in the search box. So you paste the link in the search box, then you search for the song. Okay, so we search for the song. Okay, search for the song. Search for the song. Okay, so now you will come down. You will come down here. Come down and tap switch to desktop version. To tap the switch to desktop version. Okay, that's it. So it's opening now. So let's wait for it to open. Okay. So it has opened to the desktop version. So you come here, then you tap the more. Okay, you tap the more. Okay, then you tap the Q nest. So you'll be typing the Q nest more. You'll be typing the number of times that you'll be typing on the Q nest, the number of times that you will get stream. Okay, so you'll be typing the Q nest. You can do it 1,000 times. You get 1,000 streams. You can do it 10,000 times. You get 10,000 streams. You can do it billion times. You get billion streams. You see, so that's it. It's very easy. So you'll be typing it to where you like it. Then you stop. Then come and play. Then play next sound to get streams. So typing next sound. So call this tutorial. So let's come here and play the song. So you will play the song, then you'll be tapping the next, then you'll be getting the streams. So you see, we are at what 342, 343, 344, 345, 346. So you'll be typing the next. So it will you will type next sound to play the next song. If you play the next song, it means the Q next is finished. The number of times you play the Q next is finished. So you still go to the Q next again, then you be doing that again, then you do that again, and come to the pray, then you play next. So this what you be getting streams, marvelous streams. You don't have to buy streams, okay? You don't have to buy streams. On Audiomack, you buy streams and you're going to apply for authentic or verification or monetization. They will not give you because you are buying streams. But if you do this, Audiomack will not find out that you do this before getting this kind of stream. You can do this and you'll be getting, you have to be patient. You can be getting 1,000 streams, 10,000 streams, depending on your patience and the number of times you'll be doing this. So the number of times you'll be doing this, the number of times you get more streams. So now let's go to the Audiomack account and check. So I think we get some 390 something plays. It was 330 something plays. So we get 390 something plays. Let's go and check. Check whether it is real on Audiomack. So you see, you got 390. You got some more streams to it. So you can be doing this every day. Every day to get more streams and marvelous streams. Okay. So tell me what you think about this, and let's wait for our next tutorial. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you never miss a thing. We also talk about how we can get followers. Okay, bye.